Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're gonna take a look at Dubsado, 17 hats and Bonsai. We're gonna take a look to see which one is the best. I have here a list with pros and cons. So the first one is Dubsado, which is best for custom workflows and automation for service providers, highly customizable forms, workflows client portal, and great for complex services and branding. The downside, steeper learning curve. Then we have 17 hats, best for simple all-in-one CRM for solo business owner. Invoices, contract, calendar, bookkeeping, and it's easy to set up. The downside, less flexible custom than Dubsado. And the last one is Bonsai, which is the best for freelancers needing a business tools plus light finance. They offer contracts, proposals, time tracking, tax reports, and they have global access. The downside, less workflow, automation, custom branding. So basically, these are the pros and cons. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.